Hi, welcome to SMBAct Window Manager and Switcher. I'm so excited that you've decided to give us a try. In this video I will tell you how to download, install and activate SMBAct application for macOS. For Windows and Linux all these steps are the same except for one which I'll talk about a little later. So let's go to our website SMBAct.com and click this button, Get Started button. Then here you can find different versions for different operating systems. At the moment you can see the versions for macOS because I have macOS at this machine. If you have another system, you will see versions for your operating system. Anyway, if you need another version, just click another OS button and choose what you need. For example, for Windows. Okay, I will install it for macOS M1. Then let's install the application. Show it in Finder. Okay. Accept license conditions. Go to Applications. Start the application. Sure you want to open it. Yes, open. Okay. Now, if your operating system is macOS, you have to give permissions to the application. For this, go to Notifications bar and click here Allow. It means that you allow to show you notifications. Then, for this, open System Settings and switch on the permissions for screen recording and enter your system password. Okay, unlock. Then we have to give permissions to be able to control Windows and applications. Click later here. Go to Privacy and Security and Accessibility. Switch on the toggle and then restart the application. For Windows and Linux you don't need to do it, so the process of installation is even easier. The next step is an activation of the application. Now you don't have an access to the tabs except for Dashboard and License. To activate it, go to the dashboard and enter your name and email and click the Get button. Then go to your emails, find the letter, copy the license key, go to License tab and insert the key in the text area. And it's ready. Now your program is activated and you can use it. All tabs are available. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful for you and see you in the next video.